Welcome back, weirdos. How are you guys doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm doing awesome. Thanks so much for asking. If you're new here, hey, I'm Marlakris. We're going to do some dip nails. This video will be down in the description box. That's the mani I did. I think it was my last upload. Today, I have Miss Florida Nails. I've done a Miss Florida Nails video in the past. I will leave that video also in the box for you in case you want to check it out. But she sent over her coffee collection, and I could not be more excited. Before I get into the mani, wanted to just mention to you guys, I know that the Virgo and Gem Advent Calendar and the Shimmer and Shine collection are both sold out right now. They will be restocking. I promise. As soon as I have dates, I will keep you guys posted. So this is the Miss Florida Coffee Collection, and this color in particular, can you even? I was so stoked. Ha! This is going to be a whole coffee pun video today. Espresso, totally my jam. Cannot wait to put this on. Unbelievably beautiful. There are 5 colors in this collection. They are all coordinating, very neutral. You can mix and match with so many other things that you probably already have, or you can use them all together like I'm going to in this mani. I'm also going to throw a little stamp over an accent nail a little bit later, which was Struggle City. Struggle City. You guys wait till you see the whole mess that I make later. I promise I'm not going to make you sit through my whole entire struggle because we'd literally be here for an hour. But it was, in fact, a struggle. So here's what the colors all look like together. You can see that they are very different, maybe subtly different, but they are all different shades of neutral, with the exception of the gorgeous espresso glitter, which I'm going to use first. I know, not my typical MO. I usually start with solids and I go lightest to darkest. However, this glitter just spoke to my soul. I'm going to be using the Sparkle & Co. Low Scent Base per my usual. I'm still in love with this base. Can't tell me otherwise. I like it a lot. I will be leaving everything linked in the box for you guys. Every product that I use will be down there in case you feel like you need to check some stuff out, pick some stuff up, whatever you want to do. I don't know if I have a discount from Miss Florida. If I do, I'll leave it in the box too. I'm not confident that I do though. Sorry if I don't. So I'm starting off my normal dip routine, starting with this gorgeous glitter. Just applying the base from the cuticle to free edge to my entire nail. I do 2 full dips of color and 1 full dip of clear. And when I tell you, this was my reaction literally as soon as I saw this glitter on my nail. I'm like, bitch, this is gorgeous. I don't react like this to a lot of dips. I really don't. But this, I really wanted to sugar it. And I might at some point. I didn't. I'm sorry. I want to sugar all the glitters. But this glitter, so exceptionally beautiful. It took all of my self-control to not put this on every single one of my nails and just say, F the entire collection. I just want to use espresso. But alas, I stuck to my plan. And I did a neutral coffee-themed mani. But still, this glitter, if nothing else, grab the glitter. Just go get it. Pause the video, go get it. I'll be right here waiting for you. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm getting this just tapped down a little bit. It is an ultra fine glitter, so there are no chunky pieces in here whatsoever. But I do like to make sure they're laying as flat as possible, not on top of each other. It just makes for a more, smooth and even application. I'm going to get into the rest of the colors now, but I want to talk a little bit about coffee since this is a whole coffee-themed mani. I'm a humongous weirdo when it comes to coffee. I like my coffee to taste like coffee for the most part. I can't do flavored coffees. I've tried and I cannot. If you're a flavor coffee person, let me know down below and let me know what your flavor preference is. But I like coffee to taste like coffee. Milk and sugar. I mean, it's really coffee with the side of diabetes because I put an obscene amount of sugar in my coffee. However, when I go to Starbucks, and I do love Starbucks, I cannot get regular coffee. I have to get some sort of a flavored latte. I have to, every single time. Obviously, right now, it's pumpkin spice everything. However, on a normal basis, my go-to is an iced caramel macchiato or a hot vanilla latte with an obscene amount of vanilla in it. That's my go-to. Although, around Christmas time, they make a snickerdoodle hot chocolate that is literally to die for. So insanely good. So you gotta tell me what your Starbucks preference is, or if you do a Dunkin', or what's your coffee situation. Are you a tea lover? I try to like tea. I try. But I'm a little scared of tea. Let me tell you my whole phobia around tea. I do like tea. I've had the, chai tea lattes, Earl Grey tea latte, and they're delicious. However, right after I had my kids, and mind you, when I was pregnant, I ate Tums like they were going out of style. I had such bad heartburn, and I drank a lot of iced tea. Like, iced tea was my thing that I needed to have every single day when I was pregnant. And after I had my kids, I wound up with kidney stones. And from what my doctor told me, it was likely due to the high amount of calcium that I consumed whilst eating all the Tums and dehydration from all the tea that I was drinking for a very, very long period of time. I had 3 kids. That's like, I don't know, almost 2.5 years of being pregnant, eating Tums and drinking tea. So I'm a little scared of tea because I do not want to get kidney stones again. And I realize it's an unrealistic fear. I totally get it. Like, drinking 1 cup of tea is not going to cause kidney stones, probably, but I'm a little scared. I'm a little terrified. And I don't know why, but for some reason, sweet tea, because I will drink sweet tea. It's different. It's different than hot tea. Why am I like this? Am I like this? Tell me what your position is on the tea and on the coffee and all the things. Speaking of sweet tea, fun fact, I did not know what sweet tea was until I moved to Florida. I had no idea. I'm like, I don't know, what's sweet tea? I don't get it. Because when I was in New York, and granted, I'm from New York, I moved to Florida 5 years ago. I spent a good amount of time in New York. I was there until I was 34. I'm 39 now, 5 years in Florida. And when I was in New York, Arizona was like my thing. Arizona tea. That's like all I drank. Or Snapple. Snapple peach to be specific. But when I moved to Florida, everything is sweet tea. Like, they don't even have regular iced tea down here. I mean, you can go get it if you want it, but like at restaurants, it's sweet tea. And I had sweet tea and I'm like, what is this magic? What is this magic? I get it like by the gallon now. Public sweet tea is my holy grail. It's literally always in my fridge. So I don't know if you even know what sweet tea is, because I didn't know about it. I was completely uneducated, even though I'm fairly certain McDonald's had sweet tea in New York. But I didn't know about it, nor did I ever order it. So there's that. Now, ultra fan of sweet tea, can't get enough of it. Okay, proceeding with my mani. I'm not doing anything different than what I normally do. I'm doing 2 dips of color in total, followed by a dip of clear. But I also wanted to get y'all's opinion about something that I'm thinking about doing. So I've been a creator on YouTube for 2.5 years now, ish. And being a creator and having a following and having a channel, I get a lot of emails, right? From companies looking to advertise or promotional type stuff. And some of the emails I get, I share with a few of my creator buddies, and I'm like, what, the email? I'm like, what is this? Because they're absolutely ridiculous. Most of them, I think, use like Google Translate. They're definitely not English speaking. And I was thinking about doing some sort of a little series. I mean, I'll still do my nails per my usual, but it'll be like a chatty video, kind of like this, but reading some of the ridiculously insane emails that I get, because they make me laugh so hard. And I think you guys might find them funny. If that's something that you might want to see and learn about and hear about, please let me know, because I would love to start sharing that with you guys. Okay, so I am finishing up my dippies into clear, and then we're going to get into the stamping shenanigans. As I mentioned, I'm not going to show you the entire situation as it was. I definitely was on the struggle bus with my stamper today. I don't know if it was me or if it was a stamping plate or my stamper or something was in a bad mood. Odds are it was probably me. But I'm going to show you how to put the cutest little coordinating stamp on the nail. I'm going to do my filing and buffing off camera. However, hold on, I have my calendar in front of me. It is not this weekend. Saturday, I'm going to be doing my Beatles extensions. Finally, I know you guys have been dying to see that. And then next weekend, Saturday the 20th, mark your calendars, my updated filing and buffing routine will be up. Still have not filmed it yet. I don't know why I'm procrastinating so bad. It's just filing. I do it every single day, and I like filing my nails. I really do. I find it super therapeutic. Why, I don't know. But I don't like doing it on camera because it's awkward and I'm never in frame. I will do my best, I promise. So here's what the nails look like, filed, buffed, shaped. This is the stamping plate I'm going to be using. I will leave it in the box for you guys. It was in one of their subscription boxes, so it may or may not be available It'll be down there. Okay, so I'm going in. Do you see the tremendous mess that's everywhere around me? That's because I literally tried to pick up these stamps approximately 87,000 times. Finally got it to work. And it's the cutest. I don't know, it reminded me of sometimes you go into those bougie coffee shops and they put like a cute little design on the foam in your cappuccino or whatever. That's the vibe I was going for. That's the little thing, what it reminds me of. And it's so stinking cute. I think it ties the whole thing, the whole coffee theme together. I love it so much with my whole entire heart. You guys will have to let me know what you think. So I'm going to let this dry for a bit. I'm going to use gel top coat today. If you wanted to use your regular dip powder top coat, you absolutely can. What I would suggest is you're going to want to let that dry completely. You're going to want to put a layer of your base down, your dip powder base, and let that dry completely. Then you can activate and go in with your dip top. You can encapsulate that in clear if you want to as well. I don't find it necessary. It adds a little bit of bulk to the nail. But as you can see, I went ahead and used a little bit of primer to keep my gel polish top coat from peeling or chipping up on me. Now I'm going to get into the glossy top coat moment. So here's the finished mani. I could not be more in love with this set. It is so perfect for fall, cozy coffee, that glitter. It has my whole entire heart. I want to live in that glitter forever and ever and always. Got my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil on per my usual, and we're done. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the set. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.